In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trading journal in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to log every trade and review your performance with clarity. First, open your browser and head to Notion. So, once you're in your workspace, look to the top left and click your workspace name to open the drop-down menu. This is where you can access core tools for your space. From that menu, choose Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery and marketplace, which is the quickest way to get a ready-made structure without building from scratch. In the search bar, type Trading Journal. You'll see a list of options designed specifically for tracking trades. Click the Trading Journal option to open its details. Take a moment to skim the preview so you understand what comes pre-built, like the database, sample properties, and example views. When you're ready, click Add. Notion will ask you where to place it. Select the space or workspace where you want the journal to live so your entries stay organized alongside your other pages. After adding it, click See Template to jump straight to your new trading journal page. Now, let's customize it to match your style and strategy. Start by renaming the page and, if you like, updating the icon and cover to make it easy to spot in your sidebar. In the database, review the properties. Common fields include date, market or ticker, direction, position size, entry and exit price, stop loss, take profit, fees, profit and loss, and notes. If something's missing or irrelevant, add new properties or hide what you don't need. For things like strategy, market session, or setup type, choose select or multi-select properties so you can standardize your options and analyze them later. Check the views that come with the template. A table view is great for inputting data quickly. A board view grouped by status helps you track trades from plan to close, and a calendar view makes it easy to see activity over time. Apply simple filters like only showing open trades and add a sort by date so the newest entries appear at the top. If you plan to attach screenshots, include a Files and Media property and drop images right into each trade. For fast, consistent journaling, create a pre-filled database template with your preferred fields and a notes checklist so every new entry starts the same way. From here, your journal is ready. Keep it updated after each trade. Review your results weekly and use your notes to spot patterns you can improve. That's your trading journal in Notion, set up and customized for your workflow.